What up with the wheelhouse, baby? You guys ready to hit it? You ready to get it? You ready to level up and get with it? Well, it's time to charge those batteries and get that money printer out because we are going to the moon to stack chips and get paid out. On this channel, no baby stepping, no sidestepping, no loose talk, no second thoughts, and definitely no maybes. And like I always say, green lights to the beach, baby. Okay, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe, hit like on the video, and select all so you get all the content. We are in crush mode working with bullish technicals. I'm going to show you some premium technicals that we are getting in. All the Jedis in the Discord are killing it right now. Everybody is working. Everybody is starting to spot charts. I've been teaching them, and they've been doing the courses, and they are turning into absolute savages. And so now all these guys are starting to hunt the way that I hunt, and they're finding perfect premium technicals, and it's like a collective. You guys, if you're not in that Discord, I put the link in the description below, and you guys really should get in there. You get my trade alerts, one-on-one meetings with me, 10 hours of that. You can schedule 10 different appointments. You get a chat with all the Jedis in the crypto and stock chat. You get the courses, which are super thorough and really, really detailed. Here's some of the buy alerts. We bought UAN. We bought Zim. Zim is up 12% since we bought it. Apple, I told you guys, on the breakout, that was going to 174. It hit an all-time high today, just like I thought. Facebook's running hot. It's about to turn on the ribbons and go hard. Asana, killing it. Aries, killing it. ATKR, huge earnings. Jumped back into Bitcoin and Ethereum. Jumped in Tesla. Just went back to bullish on the daily. DocuSign got in. Here's some different... Look, Asana breakout, Facebook breakout and play. NUE, infrastructure steel play, got in that, already up. SoFi, I think it hit the pivot. It's about to start coming back up. Some other ones I'm watching. EMode, DGX, which is Quest Diagnostics. So a lot of stuff going on in there. And you can see over here, all the Jedis are, they're all crushing it. Everybody's in there and, talking about different stuff, and you got all the different chats and whatnot. So yeah, let's take a look at some premium technicals and see what's going on. Okay, so right now we have let's take a look at this Zim. Now Zim had insane earnings. We had a breakout today out of the pattern of the symmetrical triangle and a baseline break. Our cloud just turned to blue on the daily. Our ribbons are good. We're above our 200. Our volume's coming in. Our technicals are bullish. Zim looks ready to run, and it could go on for a while. We don't know. Price target, I'm thinking definitely that $62.23, easy, and then further. So this thing, it looks ready to run. Our crypto stocks like CleanSpark and Hut Mining are having a huge day. Hut Mining's up 8.31%. CleanSpark is up 7.49%. All crypto is coming back. I've been watching since the minute charts and watched it develop to the 5-minute, the 15-minute, the 30, the 1 hour, the 2 hour, the 3 hour, 4 hour. It's going bullish. We're turning. This is good. So you'll see your Maras, your Coinbases, things like that are going up. Asana, let's just take a look. Asana is trying to break out of this little ascending pattern. Everything just crossed over at the same time. Volume is coming in as of yesterday. We'll see how today goes, but it looks like it is ready to go. Facebook, been in that since down here, got a little bit more over here, and looks like our ribbons are about to turn blue. Now, when the ribbons turn blue, guys, this thing, tends to run. Okay, so when you get above that 200 and the ribbons go from red to blue, I mean, there's a lot of gains in that thing built in. So get ready. This thing is about to turn right within maybe one more really big day, and Facebook is running. DocuSign, I picked it up. We are still on the red ribbons, but we bounced off this support really nicely, and the cloud is about to turn blue, and all the indicators are moving to bullish. So I really like that. Adacor, I mean, this thing is on a tear. Huge volume day yesterday, and all indicators are bullish. Really good composite rating, crazy good earnings. Here's one I'm looking at. It's in the semiconductor industry, and it just turned to the blue ribbons. The clouds are good. It has a lot of bullish momentum. Everything is really good. It's a little extended at the moment, but it had a big breakout, and I'm looking for it to just retrace a little bit, so maybe I can get in on that one. Here's another one from the same semiconductor industry, which is called DIOD is the ticker. And this one looks like it's going to come down a little bit. So I'm going to wait for the pivot and then jump back in. This one's really good. It was given to us in the Jedi chat by one of the Jedis. It's playing out really, really well. It's up 3.3% or 3.13% today. And, it just turned behind there. You probably can't see, but it just turned from the red to the blue on the clouds on the daily, which is bullish. And then all indicators are validating that. Your ribbons are blue. You do have a all-time high breakout, which should play out. And it looks like I have a price target in here that I think this thing is going to be going all the way to 129.66, and it's at 82 right now. So I'm bullish on that. I like it. DGX is Quest Diagnostics. It is above your 200. The ribbon just turned blue, literally just turned blue. You're in the blue cloud. You're moving up. Everything looks really good. All your technicals are good, and this thing looks ready to go. Okay, Quest Diagnostics. Tesla. I also think Tesla is ready to run. The reason I think that Tesla is ready to run is it's gone through its thing, and it just turned blue today on the daily cloud. So last time it did that would have been right here at $694, and you wouldn't have sold until $1,120. So today it just turned blue again. So we might be having a big run coming up, and I think that this thing most likely is going to get to the 1116, which we're almost at, and then I think it's going to right here at 1187.64. Okay, and we'll see what happens when we get there. But I think that Tesla is moving to bullish. I called out Apple. I was calling it before it happened. I said, look, this thing is in the box, and it needs to break this spot at 150. Once it breaks it with volume, it's game on. It had the first break, the second break, the third break. It's at all-time highs. Who loves you, baby? It's on its way to 174. Okay? NUE. This is an infrastructure play, okay? They make steel, and they're a big, big company. You're above the 200. You just turned blue on the ribbons. Your cloud is turning blue today. They will have contracts and money from the infrastructure play. Look, your stochastic is low and crossed. Everything crossed on the same day. Again, just to reiterate, when it goes from red to blue, it's a long run and a huge gain, and it just went to blue. And money is going there. Like I always say, follow the money. The money's going to go in there. Another one that's looking really bullish, actually, that I'm looking at is Hilton. So we're going to let it kind of come down. It wicked down to stop people out, and it looks like it's already bounced. I think that Hilton might be coming up. I'm bullish on semiconductor. It's been on a tear. I kind of wanted it to come down a little bit for me, but it just keeps going up. Square. Square is still iffy. It did create this, which I like. So we have our touch here. We have a touch here. We have touch, and now it's coming up. So this has become a very strong support, even though we're in this descending triangle. We're waiting to see if these are going to turn. And once it validates and it gets above this line right here of 232.02, and then we start printing 1, 2, 3 blue candles, this thing will probably turn, and this thing is going to run. So we'll have to wait and see on that. But yeah, if you guys are not in the Discord, jump in the Discord and, click the link, verify, and, you can upgrade to Palawan to see my trade alerts and get the Wheelhouse Wednesdays. And you can also upgrade to Jedi, and you have the full Jedi chat. Everything is open to you. You get the courses, the Wheelhouse Wednesdays, and you get the trade alerts as well. And the Wheelhouse Wednesdays is fun. We had a blast in there the other night. Everybody was in there, all the Jedis and all the Padawans, and I was teaching everybody some trading tricks. And people are hitting me up left and right, being like, "Dude, this stuff works good. Like, I can't believe it. Like, if you do this and this, like, it shows you before it's going to go up. And then if you use the stuff in the courses where I show you how to hunt, and they're starting to pick up on that. And it's really cool for me because I'm not the only one hunting and finding charts. Now we got a whole group of Jedis in there kicking butt, and they're all doing so good. I'm just so stoked and so proud of all of them. It's quite amazing to watch all these guys just turn into, I don't know what I'm doing, to like turning into like mini savages already. It's pretty cool. So yeah, I mean, look, we got that Facebook breakout. We got that all-time high on Apple. Where is Facebook? Am I just missing it? Right here. It's up $12 today. I mean, that's looking really good. You got the breakout right here, which was at 344. You broke right out with volume. Let's just take a look at crypto real quick. Mana was on a crazy tear last night. I've been watching everything. I actually jumped in and out of some trades, made some quick money. But yeah, Solana was down at 195 last night. Shiba's coming back up. Mana crushed it, made it to like the 425 area. IOTX, it hit that bottom at like 21 cents, and then it rallied all the way back up to 28 cents, which was sick. Chili's is starting to come back up. Ethereum and Bitcoin are coming back up. Let's just take a look. I re-entered Ethereum. I was going to wait for this cloud to turn back to blue, but I'm seeing so much bullishness on the small time frames. See, the clouds are already turning, on the 1 hour. Everything is starting to look pretty darn good. The 2 hour, I mean, yeah, we want those ribbons, but it's developing in the chart. So I wanted to get in early. So I jumped back in there around, I think it was like 4,100, and then Bitcoin, wherever Bitcoin validated a bounce. It bounced off of something that I liked. Let me see. Yeah, right here. So this line right here, it bounced off of it. And that's why I grabbed it. I grabbed it right here. Yeah, so I mean, that thing's already moving up. So we'll see how that goes, but it looks like it's kind of on its way back. There's a lot of good cryptos right now that you could run. I mean, Mana, what I like about Mana, despite the fact that Mana is in the metaverse, one of the things that's really good about Mana versus a lot of the other charts right now is it's bullish on all of them all the way to the daily. And when you get to the daily and you start crossing like this on the daily, it shows you that it's going to run a lot further. Plus, it's following this angle, which is really steep. So this thing could probably get back to that $5 range. I mean, it would not surprise me with these kind of technicals. So let's keep an eye on that. That's not a bad one to be in. And look, get in that link, become a Jedi, learn how to do technicals, learn all the tricks of the trade of how to make money all the time, what to spot, how to hunt, and how to do it. Be with other people making money, and let's get it. Welcome to the Wheelhouse.